वो अल्टीमेट शट अप लाइन है.
एक बार बोल दोगे क्या?
Our business is our business, none of your business.
Scared.
The first set that I ever put my foot into was a Salman Khan set. We had Tabu ma'am also, one of the finest actors we have. उनके 1 take 2 take ओके हो जाते थे, मेरी वजह से 50 टेक ना देने पड़ जाए. They were the people who came and told me कि हम पहले रिहर्स करेंगे, उसके बाद हम टेक करेंगे, so don't worry, you take your time. कि इंटरनेशनल शूट्स जब होती है, अभी वो टाइम की बात कर रही हूँ, लाइक बहुत छोटा क्रू जाता है, सो एवरीबडी वहाँ पे दे ऑल आर लाइक अ फैमिली. लाइक आई नो व्हेन दिया का ड्रेस चेंज होने वाला था गाने के अंदर, so she had gone to a mall to change her outfit. पर celebrities they didn't have vanity vans at that point of time. They made sure कि बाजू में कोई मॉल है, वहाँ पे जाके चेंज कर लिया. We are sitting in a restaurant, they are doing their makeup, we are doing our makeup. So that's how the production houses work at that point of time. When we were shooting for the intimate scenes on Hate Story, Vishal Pandya, the director, he made sure that only the required crew was there on set. Like we worked with, जब वो scenes हो रहे थे, we had only like 8-7 people on set at that point of time. Everybody else was outside. No, it's a big no. I'm not satisfied as an actor. As of now, I'm waiting for that one particular movie where I can actually show my talent, and hopefully it's on cards. So yeah.
Hi guys, this is Neola D'Souza and you are tuned into Bollywood Bubble. Today joining me in conversation is someone who is absolutely real and unapologetically herself. Joining me is Daisy Shah. Hi Daisy.
How are you?
I am doing great. How are you?
Same here.
First of all, Daisy, I just want to tell you, you have this very calm vibe. ठीक है, पहले तो मुझे बताओ ये calm vibe के पीछे क्या reason है?
I think it's about acceptance. It's more about living your life in surrender to the Almighty. Probably that's the reason why. Matlab, I've not always been this calm, but I think over the years I've learned how to live. I've learned how to not be running and chasing, because life is some or the other day, मतलब हम उठते ही मतलब भागना शुरू कर देते, हमको यहाँ जाना है, वहाँ जाना है, ये करना है, वो करना है. So I think I've started keeping that pace at bay.
But has ऐसे कभी हुआ है जहाँ पे calmness has actually helped you? If you said, you know, पहले ऐसा नहीं होता था,
हाँ.
this is something which has come over time.
हाँ.
तो ऐसा कुछ जो आपको लगा कि okay, being calm has actually helped me than being a हड़बड़ी.
I realize that जब आप बैठते हो और आप जब when you analyze your life and probably the other aspects of your life, you somewhere do realize this कि हम what are we chasing? Everybody is chasing tomorrow and it never comes. And in that due process, we are not living our present.
Deep.
Very.
Very deep. Okay, so I quickly want to dive into your journey with everything, okay? I mean, you have, I must say, a very, very powerful journey, okay? And but when you look back at your journey, what do you think about it? How do you perceive it? ऐसा कभी होता है जहाँ पे आप बैठे हो, सोच रहे रहोगे कि you know, my God, I came इतने दूर, इतने सारे struggles, ups, downs, good things, bad things के बाद. So how do you feel abhi when you look at this point of your life?
It's, I think, onwards and upwards, honestly, because बहुत सारे टर्मोइल्स थे लाइफ के अंदर, बहुत सारे स्ट्रगल्स थे. मेरी बात छोड़ दो, मेरे पेरेंट्स की भी मैं बात करूँ तो आई हैव सीन ऑल दैट, एंड आई नो हाउ डिफ़िकल्ट इट वॉज टू इवन बाय वन स्मॉल थिंग एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम व्हेन आई वाज किड. जब हम पापा को बोलते थे कि हमको ये ख़रीदना है, एंड जब हमें ना बोला जाता था, वी नेवर रियलाइज़ कि क्यों ना बोला गया कि हम नहीं ये खरीद सकते हैं. बट टुडे व्हेन यू लुक बैक एंड वाज लाइक ओके, ही हैड अ वैलिड रीज़न टू से नो टू बाय दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग, even though it was it probably was a balloon from a street vendor, you know. So imagine that how difficult the life was at that point of time ke it was hand to mouth, literally hand to mouth. And overcoming all those things, and when you sit today in your own house, when you commute in your own car, you know, यू लाइक यू आर डेफिनेटली ब्लेस्ड, क्योंकि बहुत गुजराती में एक वर्ड है करकसर,
Hmm.
तो वो करने के बाद जब आपको ये सारी चीज़ें मिलती है तो यू समवेयर फील हैप्पी, यू फील सेशिएटेड, एंड you feel when you see your mother living a life which was very difficult, and today when you see at your mom like उठ के चल दी है, मम्मी बोली मैं कोरिया जा रही हूँ, जापान जा रही हूँ, ये जा रही हूँ, वो जा रही हूँ, एंड बिलीव यू मी दैट्स माई मदर. मम्मी का घर पैर मतलब घर में उनका पैर टिकता ही नहीं है. There are places where my mom has been to and I have not been till yet.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so I think that is it gives you a sense of fulfillment, it gives you a sense of achievement, that okay, you have made sure that the life that your parents uh, okay, how do I put it, it's like every parent have given their best to give their children the best life, and today when you look at them living their best life, that is an achievement.
That's a sense of youth satisfaction which you get. But you know, अभी आप आपके मॉम के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. Mother's Day is coming up.
Yeah.
Are you all planning to go somewhere?
Considering that my mom is not in town, otherwise
Okay,
we
of
would
course.
otherwise we would have planned something.
Okay. So, Daisy, diving into your journey, okay, I wanted to ask you that आप इंडस्ट्री में काफ़ी टाइम तक रह चुके हो, ठीक है. व्हाट इज़ दैट वन थिंग व्हेन यू अभी जब आप पहले फर्स्ट टाइम मे बी सेट पे गए रहोगे, लेट्स कंपेयर इट टू नाउ, द फर्स्ट टाइम you go on a set now of a new set and the first time you dive into this world, how do you explain that feeling if you have to segregate it that way?
I think the first time when I entered a set knowing कि अच्छा ये movie set होता है, ये ऐसे यहाँ पे shoot होता है, वो that's the camera, वो these are the people, वो, and then the first set that I ever put my foot into was a Salman Khan set.
No doubt. Lucky.
And I was just like mind blown completely. Okay, बस हो गया. And he's been my like favorite superstar since childhood. So मेरे लिए तो ऐसा हो गया, हाँ मैंने गंगा नहा ली, मेरे लिए वैसा था. So I was like an Alice in Wonderland types. Like we're just trying to अंडरस्टैंड क्या है क्या नहीं. मतलब वो 5 दिन का शूट था और 5 दिन तक I had twinkle in my eye all the 5 days.
इंटरेस्टिंग. बट अभी जब आप कोई सेट पे जाते हो, इज इट द सेम डेजी हु फील्स लाइक दैट और इज इट अ मोर कॉन्फिडेंट, a more, you know?
Yeah, confidence obviously
Yes,
it's developed
of course.
over the years. Now you know the process, you know people, you like every person you know are there on the set, so it's more like a warm feeling now because it feels like a family.
Right.
And where most of the time we घर से ज़्यादा हम सेट पे टाइम बिताते हैं, तो दैट इज़ लाइक योर सेकेंड फैमिली, राइट? सो यू नीड टू हैव दैट कम्फर्ट ओवर देयर. बट द ओनली थिंग नाउ इज़ लाइक पहले हमें लाइन में लग के खाना पड़ता था बिकॉज एज अ क्राउड, एज अ डांसर, वट एवर,
Yeah.
तो बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं तो वो था. बट अभी ऐसा हो गया कि आप अपनी खुद की वैन में बैठे हो और आप अपना खुद का खाना ऑर्डर कर रहे हो कोई रेस्टोरेंट से. दैट्स द ओनली डिफरेंस.
बट when that happened, say आपने just बोला कि you know पहले लाइन में लग के खाना पड़ता था और अभी मैं अपने कंफर्ट स्पेस में खा सकती हूँ, तो कभी कभी वो हिट होता है कि you know वहाँ से कई अभी आप बाकी लोगों को भी शायद देखते रहोगे कि
Yeah.
मे बी दे आर द वंस जो लाइन में
Yeah,
खड़े होके
yeah.
खा रहे. सो डज दैट हिट
एंड आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कि वो लाइन में से बहुत सारी डेजियाँ आएगी
Yeah.
अगले नेक्स्ट
True.
कुछ सालों के अंदर. सो कीप ड्रीमिंग.
But that sense does it come kabhi kabhi ki you know maybe the feeling like you know kabhi मैं भी वहाँ थी but अब मैं यहाँ हूँ.
Yeah, yeah.
It
Of
does,
course,
right?
yeah.
So abhi you just said that you know the first set you entered was actually huge, right?
It was huge, yeah.
It was say anyone's dream. But then was there any hesitation been over there or was it just full of excitement?
I was
तेरे नाम,
excited
right?
because मुझे कुछ करना नहीं था, मुझे खाली तालियां बजानी थी. So,
Okay.
मतलब ऐसा वर्क प्रेशर तो कुछ था नहीं.
Yeah.
ताली बजाना कितना डिफिकल्ट जॉब हो सकता है. बट आई वाज जस्ट हैप्पी विद द फैक्ट बिकॉज बहुत सारे आर्टिस्ट थे. देयर वाज पूजा बत्रा, देयर वाज जैकी श्रॉफ, देयर वाज और 4-5 जन थे. सो या आई वाज लाइक और प्रॉब्लम ये था कि तभी वो कैमरा फोन्स आए नहीं थे,
Hmm.
so it was very difficult to take a picture with them. You have to make sure that your
Yeah.
camera is ready, like that click
Yeah,
camera
yeah.
and all that, and I didn't have that at that point of time, so वो memory में capture नहीं कर पाई, पर यहाँ पर है.
Of course, no doubt. But you said that, आप एक background dancer भी रह चुके हो. I know that it is a very, I have some friends who are into this and I know it's a very tedious, it's not that easy जितना हमें लगता है देख के.
Nothing is easy. The crowd job is also not easy. Dancing is not easy, but that's what makes it more interesting. Because I don't know. I mean, I think dancing is something which I really love doing. It's just a way of expressing, I feel.
Yeah.
Or when I was a dancer, when I was an assistant, I absolutely loved my job. मुझे बहुत मजा आता था.
But you were also, correct me if I'm wrong, okay? Not many know that you were also a background dancer in Rehna Hai Tere Dil Mein. Is this true?
Yeah.
It is,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
No doubt, with R. Madhavan and all that.
Yeah.
So, but they were also new during that time, and so were you. So how was how was the scenario wahan pe wo time pe?
Knew who?
They were also, it was their debut also, right? And even you were say new into that space during that time. Unlike being a seasoned star as you are
Okay,
now.
so here's the truth bomb.
Hmm.
It was my first ever international trip, South Africa.
Okay.
तो आई थिंक मैं ज्यादा उसके अंदर थी. ये मेरा फर्स्ट ट्रिप है, माई फर्स्ट स्टैम्प ऑन माई पासपोर्ट. सो दैट इज समथिंग आई थिंक आई वॉज मोर inclined towards that feeling then उनका डेब्यू है, ये है वो, क्योंकि कोई उससे तो कुछ फर्क पड़ता है नहीं. हमें हमारा काम करना है.
बट उनके आसपास रहने वाला माहौल, क्योंकि अभी आप उनसे कभी मिलते रहोगे तो ऑब्वियसली वहाँ पे बहुत ऐसी अच्छी वाइब होती होगी.
नो, आई थिंक माधवन एंड दिया दे, क्योंकि इंटरनेशनल शूट्स जब होती है, अभी वो टाइम की बात कर रही हूँ, लाइक बहुत छोटा क्रू जाता है.
Okay.
अभी बड़े क्रू जाते हैं, पर वो टाइम पे 30-35 लोग का ही क्रू जाता है, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं जाता है, मे बी 50, नॉट मोर देन दैट. सो एवरीबडी वहाँ पे दे ऑल आर लाइक अ फैमिली. लाइक आई नो व्हेन दिया का ड्रेस चेंज होने वाला था गाने के अंदर, सो शी हैड गॉन टू अ मॉल टू चेंज हर आउटफिट.
Oh.
We didn't have vanity vans, even
Right.
like celebrities. हम डांसर्स को तो छोड़ दो, पर celebrities they didn't have vanity vans at that point of time.
True.
They made sure कि बाजू में कोई मॉल है, वहाँ पे जाके चेंज कर लिया. We are sitting in a restaurant, they are doing their makeup, we are doing our makeup. So that's how the production houses worked at that point.
And how did you guys deal with it? I mean, obviously the priority would have been the main actors who were there. But what about you guys?
आई थिंक हम लोग गए थे कुछ अगस्त सितंबर में, सो इट वाज रियली कोल्ड. एंड जब भी शॉट लगता था तो ऑब्वियसली जब नाइट शूट हो रहा होता था तो हमको बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी लग रही थी. तो बड़े बड़े लाइट्स लगते थे शूटिंग के लिए रात को, तो हम लोग ना लाइट के नीचे जाके खड़े हो जाते थे थोड़े वार्मथ के लिए. या एंड देन व्हेन मास्टर जी हमको बोलते थे चलो शॉट रेडी, वाज लाइक वी नोबडी वांटेड टू गो टू द that particular place जहाँ पे shot हो रहा था, because we were like really freezing in the night. But the good part is that the makers, they did not ignore us. Next day they got us body suits,
Oh,
skin color body suits to wear under the costumes that we were wearing for the song.
that's crazy. I mean, come on, good changes now that, everybody gets their comfort and to, stay. But you have been here for a long time, as I said, what is that one thing very specifically that you've seen that has evolved? ऐसा कुछ है जो आपको लगता है कि ये इंडस्ट्री में एक कोई तो चीज़ जो crazy evolve हुई है, which say nobody has expected. It could be anything. It could be either a pay scale or I don't know, maybe better sense of movies. Do you think anything has evolved over time?
Equal opportunities for women.
Okay,
I think that is because we didn't have many women-centric movies earlier.
right.
Women-centric projects ज़्यादा नहीं होते थे तभी, बहुत कम. I think Rekha ji was the flag bearer of one women-centric film at that point of time. तो बस वही थी. But now lately we are seeing a lot many women-centric movies are being made, and which is a good thing. And that's why I said equal opportunities.
Have you also ever felt somewhere कि मेरे साथ भी ऐसा कभी हुआ रहेगा, कभी equal opportunities तब नहीं मिलती but अभी मुझे वो मिल रही है?
Also it depends on what project you want to take up. जैसे बहुत सारी मूवीज है, लाइक हम आयशा टाकिया की बात करें, हर मूवी डोर beautiful film, but it did not get that recognition. Like, again, it depends on what kind of projects you want to take up. Like, if someone comes to me for a women centric film, which I would like, it's like satisfying the actor in you and then satisfying the materialist side within you. So you do commercial movies for that thing, and you do such festival films for satisfying the actor in you.
राइट आई गेट दैट यू नो वो एक्टर वाला और एक कमर्शियल फिल्म में द कंटेंट ड्रिवन एस्पेक्ट इज बहुत डिफरेंट
Yeah.
सो राइट नाउ वेयर आर यू फोकस्ड ऑन आर यू लाइक
Uh,
satisfied as an actor yet
No, no, it's a big no. I'm not satisfied as an actor as of now. I'm waiting for that one particular movie where I can actually show my talent, and hopefully it's on cards. So yeah.
but there is this you know talking about an actor's satisfaction I would like to ask you कि there's this one thing ना जहाँ पे अभी बहुत चल रहा है कि it might be you know the post pandemic era जहाँ पे movies might not have done that well and then अभी एक ऐसा हर जगह चल रहा है कि अरे बॉलीवुड में अब वो बात नहीं रही या अब वो मज़ा नहीं आता क्योंकि मूवीज ऐसी बन रही है वैसी बन रही है ये हो रहा है वो हो रहा है ये भी इस पे आपका पहले क्या टेक है देन आई विल कम टू द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस व्हिच आई एम
Well,
अबाउट
I
टू से
feel ये जो डिफ्रेंसिएशन जो चलता था पहले, टीवी मूवी सीरियल ये वो, ये बैरियर जो है वो ओटीटी ने ब्रेक कर दिया है.
नो डाउट
नाउ देयर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि बॉलीवुड मूवी है, ये है, वो है. नाउ इट्स अ जनरल टर्म, सीरीज, मूवीज, दैट्स इट.
राइट
लाइक इवन जब हम पहले टीवी सीरियल्स की बात करते थे, डेली सोप्स आर ऑल्सो कमिंग ऑन ओटीटीज नाउ.
Yeah.
So it's again, it falls into the category of series. So I think वो जो एक coming back to your thing कि क्या evolve हुआ है, I think ये mentality evolve हुई है सबकी,
लोगों की
कि वो जो differentiation था पहले वो change हो गया है.
बट इसकी वजह से ऐसा आपको नहीं लगता कहीं ना कहीं कि वो जो एक्सक्लूसिविटी होती थी जो स्टारडम में एक्सक्लूसिविटी होती थी जो हम पहले देखते थे वो अभी कहीं ना कहीं यू नो ओटीटी एंड सोशल मीडिया की वजह से पहले ऐसा होता था कि अपने एक स्टार को देखने के लिए आप कितने देर रुकते थे कि
हाँ.
यू नो हर रोज वही जगह जाके खड़े हो वेट करो कब
पेशेंस लेवल
आएगा
भी तो लोगों का खत्म हो गया है ना अभी.
ट्रू
I think that is the reason why different platforms are also coming into existence, is because nobody has the patience. Now I think the next era is the real content, the vertical series content.
Oh yeah, that is going on a lot right
Yeah.
now. And but that is good also because for people who actually want to be known as an artist,
हाँ.
they get a platform.
Yeah.
And but आप कभी ऐसे सोचते रहोगे कि यू नो मे बी हमारे टाइम पे अपॉर्चुनिटीज इतनी इजी हुआ करती थी या नहीं हुआ करती थी
नहीं, ये तो मतलब, see the thing is that you need to evolve yourself mentally, physically, whatever it is, with the present time. बैठ के रिग्रेट करोगे कि वह हमारे टाइम पे क्यों नहीं था. नहीं था. हमारे टाइम पे तो मोबाइल्स भी वो छोटे वाले थे जिसके अंदर ना कैमरा था ना कुछ था. सो एंड what we used to play, like for the snake game
Yeah.
on the phone, that was the only game. And so जैसे टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलप होती है, I think it's fine. I mean, we नहीं, I also miss the old world charm that we have left behind. I miss the empty roads, the little empty roads that we had before, the little skyline we had. But abhi ka skyline, it's all,
the AQI is so bad like I don't want to start talking about
yeah.
it
I
It's
mean,
that bad.
I miss, so the road that you get down from the sea link towards the town, you know, there's this one patch जहाँ पे आपको पूरा समंदर दिखता था. It's gone completely.
उन्होंने कुछ और ही बना दिया वहाँ
Exactly.
पे
So I miss that thing. वो एक छोटा सा पैच है, 7 मिनट का, 6 मिनट का. It's gone.
That's no longer there. But tell me one thing, is there a point where it's like, when did you realize that, you know, now when you look back all these कि बस नहीं है, these are some things which make you very, obviously you're a celebrity, people look at you like a celebrity, but the human aspect I can feel it, of course.
Yeah.
तो जब ऐसा होता है, when do you think you realized कि okay, now I am famous, maybe I just can't go to a ceiling and hang out there anymore?
No, I can still go and hang out there.
You can?
Yeah,
Are you
yeah,
sure?
yeah. I do what I want to do.
But what if like you're gonna get mobbed or something? Don't you have that thing ki,
Well,
okay,
there are timings.
I know, okay, of course there are timings, but still,
Uh, I mean, you need to tweak your timings accordingly. If you go at 6 o'clock in the evening, obviously you're gonna get mobbed. But
exactly.
if you go at 1 in the night, nobody's gonna mob you because yeah, people are too busy in their own life at that point of time.
But what was that moment in your life where you realized, ki, oh damn, I'm famous now?
I was processing.
Like how? Tell me more.
Like, oh, now people are coming and asking pictures from me, and there was a time where I used to go to the celebrities to ask pictures, so that is one thing. Then when I was on the other side asking for the pictures, I was like कि ये लोग कैसा फील करते रहेंगे, इन लोग को कैसा लगता होगा, ये लोग क्या करते रहेंगे, क्या फील करते रहेंगे. When I came on the other side of the scenario, I was like, it's all normal, bro. It's not something out of the blue where you feel like a Wonder Woman and all that. No, they're like, तब realize हुआ कि नहीं, जितने ह्यूमंस हम हैं उतने ही ह्यूमंस वो लोग भी है. जितनी फीलिंग्स हम में है शायद उनसे ज़्यादा फीलिंग्स उनमें है, क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो वो लोग ओपनली नहीं सेलिब्रेट कर सकते.
Makes sense. But कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि there are moments where कभी कभी fan encounters turn into a horror also now. Has that something?
Yeah,
ऐसा
that
कुछ
has
हुआ?
happened to me where well, some people have written nasty comments on my social media posts saying that, oh, we came to you for a picture but you said no and this and that. And sometimes what happens कि आप कोई event पे जाते हो, there's like a crowd of say 3,000 4,000 people, आप रियलाइज नहीं करते हो, आप चलते चलते किसी ने आपको पिक्चर मांगा होगा, आपने शायद वो आपने नोटिस भी नहीं किया होगा. सो दैट पर्सन विल गेट अफेंडेड, ओ शी डिडंट गिव मी अ पिक्चर, बट दैट इज नॉट द केस. मे बी मैंने रियलाइज ही नहीं किया है कि आपने मुझसे पिक्चर मांगा है.
राइट. एंड यहाँ पे आपकी सेफ्टी भी तो पहले आती है ना. इफ देयर सच अ बिग क्राउड, पहले
Yeah.
तो आप निकलो, तभी तो आप वहां से किसी को फोटो दे
Exactly.
पाओ.
And there have been instances where I have gone to certain events and itne proximity pe there are like 2-3 people who are like, I can smell they're reeking of alcohol.
Oh God.
And I'm like, I don't want to associate, like I don't even want to engage with this person, but you can't get rude because there are other people also.
Yeah.
So you ignore and you just walk by. पर मे बी वो जो इंसान है उसके पीछे 2 जन रहेंगे, उनको लगेगा कि मैंने उनको इग्नोर किया. तो ये चीज़ें हैं, बट अगेन इट्स पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ द जॉब. यू कांट रियली डू एनीथिंग अबाउट इट एंड यू कांट प्लीज एवरीबody on this planet.
But like, are you an overthinker? If I ask,
I'm
you
a
are?
Virgo. Yes, I am.
So-
it's in my blood.
Okay. So when I asked this, it was because कि जब ऐसे moments होते हैं and then when there are like जैसे आपने बोला कि आपने comments पढ़े होंगे कि मे बी अरे आपने मुझे ignore किया, ये वो. कभी कभी publicly ऐसे भी perception जाता होगा कि डेजी ऐसी है या वैसी है, तो तभी do you ऐसे in feelings wise overthink it कि मैं ऐसी क्यों दिख रही हूँ?
पहले नो वैसा नहीं. लाइक आई नो व्हाट मस्ट हैव हैपेंड देयर. सी, यू कैन ओनली अंडरस्टैंड योर साइड ऑफ द स्टोरी. यू कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड सामने वाले क्या सोच रहे क्या नहीं सोच रहे. रादर देन फीलिंग बैड फॉर माई सेल्फ, आई फेल्ट बैड फॉर दैट पर्सन बिकॉज वो पर्टिकुलर टाइम ही और शी फेल्ट इग्नोर्ड, बट दैट वॉज नॉट द सिनारियो. तो वो अगर मैं ओवर थिंक करती हूँ तो मेरे लिए नहीं करती, मैं उनके लिए करती हूँ. कि आई होप इन फ्यूचर अगर कहीं पे वो मुझे मिल जाए तो शायद मैं उनको सामने से बुला के फोटोज दे दूँ.
राइट.
सो बट नाउ आई थिंक इट्स ऑल फाइन बिकॉज आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, यू कांट प्लीज एवरीबडी ऑन दिस प्लैनेट.
This is one concept I want to. It's not a concept. It's a good thing. आपने कभी ऐसे लाइफ में किया है क्या कि आपने किसी की मदद की हो और आपने उससे बोला होगा कि, या ऐसे कभी हुआ कि आप 2 लोगों की मदद करो? ये कॉन्सेप्ट के बारे में आपका कुछ?
I do follow the thought of helping people,
Yeah.
but ये नहीं कि मतलब उनको जाके मैंने बोला कि आप सामने 4 जन की मदद कर देना या 3 जन की मदद कर देना. ऑब्वियसली दैट्स व्हाट द जय होस्ट थॉट वाज, द
Yeah.
मूवीज थॉट. बट I do follow the first part where you help as much as you can.
But has anyone ever come and told you ki, maybe this inspired us to like say help others in life?
I don't live for people coming and telling me that we got inspired by
Mhm.
what you did. If it did, great, pay it forward.
Okay. But still, there's not been a moment like that then.
A lot many times people have come and told me that they have seen certain things that I've done and they have followed doing the same thing, and it's given them a sense of peace.
Yeah.
And I think that's where I won. That's what I feel.
True that. So coming to my next thing is that you literally started your. It was like say a full circle life moment because you started with Tere Naam and then you did Jai Ho.
Yeah.
So the full circle moment, वो कैसा लगा कि did you feel कि oh my god, is this a dream? Is this reality? Is this what?
Okay, so when I was finalized for Jai Ho, I had that question mark on my face. While we were filming for Jai Ho, I still had that question mark on my face. When Jai Ho was releasing, I still had that question mark on my face, which means I was still processing कि ये क्या, is this really happening? And hence the entire filming process, मतलब मेरे लिए it was like walking on cloud 9.
Okay, but question mark for what? Like, what were you confused?
Is this really happening with me? Is this
Ah,
really happening
right,
with me? Is
right.
it really me? Like, can I pinch myself? Is this my reality now?
It's dream.
Yeah.
But then how did you eventually process it? कभी ना कभी तो process किया होगा ना आपने उस चीज को. So when was that when you processed it?
On the day of the premiere that we did in Dubai.
Okay.
Jai Ho was first premiered in Dubai, and we were walking the red carpet, and I could see the entire crowd there. Obviously, they were all for Salman, definitely. But I was just, oh my god, this is it. This is my moment. I think that's when I felt that okay, I've arrived.
But then was there any pressure? Like, you're working with the Salman Khan. Does it come with any pressure initially during that time?
The pressure was कि मेरी वजह से, because we had Tabu ma'am also,
yes.
one of the finest actors we have. तो मेरी वजह से अब उनके 1 take 2 take ओके हो जाते थे, मेरी वजह से 50 take ना देने पड़ जाए. But I was so blessed that they were the people who came and told me कि हम पहले rehearse करेंगे, उसके बाद हम take करेंगे. So don't worry, you take your time.
बट ऐसा कोई टाइम हुआ जहाँ पे वो होता होगा ना कि चलो मैंने तो सोच लिया कि अभी रिहर्स करेंगे हम सब और फिर टेक देंगे, बट ऐसे टेक देते देते वो कभी कभी हो जाता है कि यू डू नॉट डिलीवर ऐसे. सो दैट नेवर हैपेंड. दैट
never happened.
But even if there was a situation, you would still know, right? Ki they would have like definitely been there for you. Your co-actors would have definitely helped you out during that situation.
देखो वो प्रॉब्लम ना हो इसीलिए उन्होंने कहा कि हम पहले 2-3 बार रिहर्स करेंगे.
तो वो उनका solution था because prevention is better than cure. Like let's not. But like coming back to Salman Khan, I know this that you have told him no.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that one. So tell me, was there something like ki oh my god no?
I had to prepare myself for a week in front of the mirror.
You literally did that?
Yeah, I did that. Yes, I did. I had to gather all my courage to say what I had to say to him.
But what was going in your head? Were you like thinking कि okay अब वो ऐसे बोलेंगे फिर मैं ऐसे बोलूँगी और फिर मैं ऐसे बोलूँगी शायद उनका रिएक्शन ये होगा. You might have obviously thought that, right? Like that happens with me. If like I'm in front of the mirror and thinking about something, कि how I'm going to say something to someone.
तो मेरे केस में क्या होता है ना कि कोई भी कॉन्वर्सेशन होने के बाद में मैं एनालाइज करती हूँ कि ओह शिट मुझे ऐसे जवाब देना चाहिए था, और यार मुझे ऐसे बोलना चाहिए था. तो मेरा आफ्टर थिंकिंग ज्यादा होता है, मैं प्री हैंड थिंकिंग करती ही नहीं हूँ.
ओके, बट जब आपने बोल भी दिया तो उनका रिएक्शन आपने सामने से कैसे प्रोसेस किया?
वो होता है ना कि there was a pin drop silence in the room for 2 seconds. And then I was like, okay, fine. I'll just say what I have to say. And then I said what I had to say. And then he was like, okay. 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 And then he was good 5-7 minutes. And
5-7 minutes is
yeah,
too long.
yeah, at that point of time it felt long.
It's very long for an intense situation
And
like
then
that.
I was like, and then मैं अंदर बोली थी, please say something, and there was only one thing that came from his mouth. He's like, okay.
ओके बोलने के लिए 5 से 7 मिनट
वो
ज़्यादा
भी तो
लंबे
process,
नहीं?
he's also
हाँ,
human ना,
हाँ.
he
Yeah,
also must be
true.
processing his own things.
True that. But you know, you have seen him over the years. But how different has he been on set over the years? Yeah, how has he evolved as a person over the years? Do you have anything, something
He is
which we don't
exactly
know?
the same. He is the same.
How is
I
he like?
think he is one of the most caring souls that you will ever come across. Be it on set, be it in personal life, be it whatever. If you are under his wings, he'll take care of you, no matter what.
No doubt. But do you ever think that, you know, when you have someone so much love, support, and care, you guys exactly know how that bond is? But there are a lot of times where people, the audience, or whoever, the people out there, do not take it very nicely, or there are sometimes a lot of things where people don't like your association. Yeah, they say very stupid, there are very stupid comments which are passed on this.
See, now, who walks into your life, who doesn't, when the chapter starts, when the chapter closes, it's not in human hands. And बहुत सारे लोगों को बहुत सारी चीज़ें पसंद नहीं है, बहुत सारे लोगों को तो आपका जिंदा रहना भी पसंद नहीं है, तो आप मर जाओगे.
Exactly. You can't live to please everyone. But is there something which you have learned from his personality, being that he's, you know,
Be yourself.
crazy, being human?
Just be
Also,
yourself. Just be yourself. Don't ever turn your back on you.
that's lovely. Have you ever applied it?
Yeah, I
You
have.
do it every
And
day, don't
yeah,
you?
that is why I most of the times have to think क्या बोलना है क्या नहीं बोलना है, क्योंकि कभी कभी मेरे यहाँ पे से फिल्टर हट जाता है.
Abhi coming to Radhe, ठीक है? We
राधे.
Radhe the character.
Okay, yeah.
Radhe the character.
हाँ.
Okay, it's a cult classic. Okay, Tere Naam was like crazy. Now we have lived it as a fan. ठीक है? अभी recently re-release भी हुई थी, ये सब कुछ भी हुआ था. But can you tell us something as a memory which will stay back with you forever? Like, you know, forever from that, because you were there on sets. I want to hear your POV. What
We're shooting
stays?
in Hyderabad, one of the colleges वहाँ पे, for that song, and it was fun shooting a song there. I mean, see, the thing is, when you're a dancer, you're not really associating yourself or having like conversations with the celebrity on the set.
Right.
But all you can see is like you can sit, you can observe, you can like oogle at them, you know, sit there. And तो I remember वो गाने के अंदर एक शॉट है जहाँ पे सलमान सर एक सोलो चंक परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं डांस का, वो एक क्लासरूम के अंदर है और हम सभी लोग खाली बैठे एज अ स्पेक्टेटर्स. एंड ही एस्ड इट. He rehearsed it in front of us. He shot in front of us, and like हम जितने भी लोग थे, I think 70-80 of us, we were like अगले 10 मिनट तक खाली क्लैप्स कर रहे थे.
But tell me also about Lagan Lagi. Yeah, tell me like what was the vibe there?
Okay, in लगन लगी I was an assistant also. तो
Yeah.
वो गाने के अंदर मेरा बहुत सारा इंटरेक्शन हुआ था सलमान सर के साथ. एंड I mean, क्या ही होता है, हम जाके उनको डांस स्टेप बताते हैं, वो रिहर्स करते हैं, अगर कहीं पे कुछ गलत हो रहा है तो हम उन्हें करेक्ट करते हैं, एंड देन वी टेल हिम कि या वी कैन गो फॉर द शॉट.
But पहला ऐसा कोई heartfelt interaction हुआ हो?
दैट वाज ड्यूरिंग दबंग.
हाँ.
जब हम वाई में शूट कर रहे थे, दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम वेयर आई शोड हिम माय पिक्चर्स, वेयर I just happened to have a word with him, and I told him that I have also started doing movies down south, hence I have not been so present with the songs. So he's like, oh, show me your pictures. And that's when he said, okay, these pictures are not bad, but I really want you to do one more photo shoot, which I will make sure who the photographer will be, who the makeup artist will be, what the clothes will be, and all that. So I think that was one very up close interaction that I've had with him.
That was the first one, right? That's so coming to, let's talk about race 3 now. Our business is my business and none of your
Yeah.
business. Can you say it once because I want to hear it, because that was literally like वो तब तो मीम कल्चर में अभी तक वो फट रही है वो चीज.
Yeah,
ठीक है, Can you
अच्छी
say it
बात
once?
है. आई थिंक मेरा ये मानना है, हम सभी का मानना है कि वो अल्टीमेट शट अप लाइन है.
नो डाउट है. एक बार बोल दोगे क्या एकदम ऐसे सीरियस मोड में?
Our business is our business, none of your business.
Scared. Okay, but tell me something about race 3. Like when you got to know that I am going viral for this line, what was that? Ki like, oh my god, memes. क्योंकि तभी memes भी ऐसे थे कि memes were also coming up during that
Yes.
time, right? It was that emerging वाला phase if
Yeah.
we get to see. तो तभी कैसा लग रहा था देख के ये सब? Now तो it is common. Now तो
हाँ.
we know that.
So initially जब ये मीम चालू हुआ था, it affected me. But then yeah, for the first 2-3 days, then we were all sitting, हम लोग बातें कर रहे थे, promotions भी चल रहे थे, and then it was Salman sir only said कि अरे let's just join the bandwagon. No, बस सभी बना रहे तो हम खुद भी बना देते हैं उसके ऊपर. That's why
हाँ.
then we also started making content out of that one particular dialogue. Even Salman sir made a video.
Yeah.
Me and Jackie made a video. So we were like कि चलो मतलब सब लोग कर रहे तो हम भी क्यों पीछे, हमारा ही डायलॉग है तो हम ही खुद बना लेते हैं वीडियोस.
बट आपको फिर ऐसे ही आपको स्टार्टिंग में ये क्यों लगा कि अरे यू नो
Yeah, so I was like, this is not something which is like out of the blue. मतलब ऐसा कुछ हो जो मतलब कुछ जिसको मीम लायक का बना दिया इन लोगों ने in that. But then later we realized that no, this actually is meme worthy.
Yeah, it's everybody's feeling, which and you did it with like a very straight, ऐसे poker face.
Yeah,
type of
I
a
was
thing.
because the character Sanjana that I was playing was very shrewd, and she's like that particular character is no nonsense, like to the
Right,
point.
exactly. But the first sense was it the reaction which you gave कि like ये viral क्यों हुआ, वो embarrassment थोड़ी सी हो रही थी
वायरल
क्या?
हुआ अच्छी बात है,
हाँ.
पर मुझे ट्रोल किया जा रहा था, मुझे उसका दुख था.
Okay.
वो अफेक्ट हो रहा था कि यार मुझे क्यों ट्रोल कर रहे हैं लोग. मतलब डायलॉग मैंने खुद तो नहीं लिखा है, मुझे जो दिया गया है मैंने वो बोला है. So people were like telling me, oh Daisy, and oh this is a dialogue. So basically I was getting trolled for that dialogue.
Okay, you were getting that was what was
Yeah.
affecting you.
Yeah.
But were you also after that that people बहुत funny चीजें बना रहे हैं वो सब देख के आपको ऐसा लगा oh my god.
Later we started
क्यों?
enjoying it. We started
हाँ.
enjoying it.
But then I also heard this somewhere that this dialogue was also given by Salman sir. Is it true?
It was on the same lines,
हाँ.
but वो थोड़ा लंबा डायलॉग था. So
हाँ.
सलमान सर ने उसको ट्वीक करके to the point कर दिया.
I mean उनसे ऐसे ही expect कर सकते
Well,
because
he's
he has
very
that.
good. Like you see his post and you see his captions. I think nobody can like even think of putting such captions.
You're right.
He's very funny that way.
Coming to race 3 only, I want to talk about Lloyd Bobby. And I want to know कि how was he like, and I to love him since Nayo and all.
Yeah.
ठीक है? So I really want to know about how was he like and what
He's
was
a
it?
very chill person, honestly. I think one of the coolest person on the sets. How do I describe it? Is like Bobby is like अगर उनको बोल दे ये करना है हाँ करते हैं.
He's up for it.
Yeah, he is that person.
But
He's also he's a very pooky person that way.
So taking you back to Chor Machaye Shor. Yeah, and race 3 and everything. There was this one special appearance in the song Pehen Ke Chola Jawani Wala. ठीक है? Was it true?
What is that?
Yeah, the song Pehen Ke Chola
हाँ,
Jawani
हाँ,
Wala.
okay.
Yeah, I'm talking about
From
that
Chor
song.
Machaye Shor.
Yeah.
हाँ.
So I want to know about that song because I was like मैं ऐसे ध्यान से देख रही थी डेजी को पकड़ो.
आई थिंक मैंने बॉबी के साथ एज अ डांसर 2-3 गाने किए हैं. एज एन असिस्टेंट आई थिंक मैंने एक गाना किया है. So I was quite comfortable with him because he's very how do I say, like sometimes like when it comes to Salman sir, आप अगर पहली बार बात करने जाओगे आपको थोड़ा डर लगेगा because वो intimidating personality है थोड़ी. वो भले नहीं है Once you know him, you know that he's not that kind of a person, but his aura is that way where you feel that he's very intimidating. With Bobby, I have always been very comfortable with since first day. So that
But then,
was no.
if you want to rate his dancing skills, because like you have also been an assistant
Huh.
choreographer there, and now to unka recently that was not, we won't say that's a full-fledged dancing, but it became the viral dancing moment. Jamal Kuddu wala
Huh.
cheese, that was crazy.
Yeah.
So if you want to rate him like as a dancer, how
Okay,
much would you?
when it comes to dancing skills, I'll say Bobby comes at around 60, 65, but his swag is 110.
Oh yes, I love that.
And that's why he can pull it off.
Right. But talking about you as a choreographer, correct me if I'm wrong. You have worked with Ajay Devgan sir
Yeah.
also for Khaki,
Yeah.
and so Ajay Devgan ji as a dancer, I mean, we all know what impactful steps he can give without moving much, and it's crazy.
I think the credit goes to the choreographer here.
Mhm.
And when it comes to Sanjay Dutt, Ajay Devgan, and people who are not so good, like not as good dancers at Ritik and Shahid and all these people, I think Ganesh Acharya is the choreographer for them, because he makes sure कि dance नहीं करवा के भी dance कैसे निकाले.
वो वायरल चीज निकल जाती है. लाइक अभी वो रिसेंटली जो ये वाला हुआ था,
हाँ.
nobody expected. I
Oh,
mean, yeah, पहला तू चाहती, I still can't do it properly, but yeah, that was so good. Did you like ever see back to the time and thought कि अरे अभी भी ऐसा ही चल रहा है?
No, actually नहीं. ये ऐसे thoughts आते ही नहीं है. See, now again, as I said कि you enjoy doing what you do. So when I was a dancer, I enjoyed my job. When I was an assistant, I enjoyed my job.
But do you miss that aspect of you?
That carefree version of me, yes, where I don't even care for my skin, my hair. कुछ भी पहन के निकल लो, कोई जज नहीं करने वाला, कुछ नहीं. हाँ, तो वो एक चीज़ है. आज मतलब when you step out of your house, you have to make sure you're looking proper. You're at least looking presentable.
Yeah. But अभी जब आप presentable की बात कर रहे हो, I have a different thought in it. But as an actor, you tell me, as an actress, you tell me that, do you have the pressure to always look good in front of the camera? Yeah, when you're stepping out, because then now we have the paparazzi culture.
Presentable is the word.
Okay.
Not good looking and all that.
Yeah.
Like you need to be presentable. You can't be coming out with your shabby hair, like
Exactly.
बाल यहाँ से वहाँ से निकले हुए, कपड़े यहाँ से फटे हुए, मतलब चप्पल कुछ भी पहने हुए. I mean that
Right.
is so. You need to be presentable when you step out of the house.
But what about the boundaries which are crossed? Maybe you are in your own zone and समझो आप बस ऐसे ही निकल गए, मन कर जाता होगा, क्योंकि आप लोग भी कितना, मतलब एज अ ह्यूमन, राइट, एज अ गर्ल ऑल्सो कभी कभी तो मन कर ही रहता है कि चलो जल्दी सी घूम लूं.
हाँ.
तो फिर बट अगर वो टाइम पे आजकल पापराजी भी हर जगह है, उनके दायरे काफी पहले से बदल गए हैं, तो फिर वो टाइम पे अगर आपके साथ ऐसा कोई इंस्टेंस हुआ जहाँ पे यू फेल्ट दैट योर प्राइवेसी इज वायलेटेड?
आई थिंक पेपराजी कल्चर जो है वो थिंक 3 साल के पहले तक ऐसे हुआ है कि जहाँ पे आपने लाइक दे हैव कॉट यू ऑफ गार्ड कम्प्लीटली. बट इन द लास्ट 3 years आई नो फॉर अ फैक्ट कि जब तक उनको बुलाया नहीं जाता तब तक वो आपको कैप्चर नहीं करेंगे.
राइट.
So you are aware that you are going to get captured. You are aware that you are going to get spotted today.
Well, what do you think about the latest 4K Zoom videos? The one which are like right in your face. I to find it very
But as
freaky,
far as
honestly.
its face, it's still fine.
Oh,
The
yeah.
other parts of your body, let's just not focus on that.
Yeah,
A lot of media houses do that, which is not good.
Yeah, but isn't it just पहले ये नहीं होता था, या होता था, बट जो अभी लेवल पे हो रहा है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है, इट्स माय पर्सनल ओपिनियन, जो अभी लेवल पे हो रहा है वो कुछ बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है. इट इज अ लॉट ऑफ व्यू चेजिंग, फॉलोअर, मतलब पैप्स पेजेस, कोई भी हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. पीपल आर जानबूझ के पोस्टिंग इट, बट हाउ as an actor, do you feel ki, like, you know, is there a special request which you have to put through? Yeah, you know, ki
Okay,
please
so the
aisa mat
thing is
karo.
that no matter what you do, if the person is hell bent on chasing the views and the numbers for their social media pages, they will make sure that they'll only put that what is benefiting them. But you are losing yourself as a human by doing that, because that is not ethically, that is not right.
Yeah, it's super cheap. But the most bizarre part is that is what gets you most of the views.
Exactly.
Okay. With coming to that, because we're on this topic, let's. I want to talk also about Hate Story 3, and I must say it was a very bold move. And what was the thought process behind doing a film like Hate Story 3, something very different from your genre of work?
Okay, so when I did Jeho, I was probably categorized as the girl next door,
Yeah.
and a lot many filmmakers when I went for my meetings also, and then there were a lot of talks that came to me via that they're saying, no, I don't think that this girl can look hot.
Oh.
आई थिंक दैट वो एक मेंटल बैरियर को ब्रेक करना बहुत ज़रूरी था. दैट वाज द ओनली रीज़न टू डू हेट स्टोरी 3, दैट इफ आई कैन pull off a girl next door, I can also pull off something which is hot.
Yeah.
So compartmentalizing one person in terms of what they've worked on is not right. So just to break that mold, I did Hate Story 3.
But I would like to ask, that was also some time back, and now I have heard that, you know, obviously when you're on set, this is a bold film. आजकल intimacy coordinators का
Coordinators, हाँ.
concept होता है. वो time पे भी
नहीं,
वो
हमारे
same
टाइम पे
चीज
नहीं था.
नहीं
हेट
था.
स्टोरी के टाइम पे नहीं था.
तो कैसे चीजें वहां पे मैनेज होती थी? Obviously it's choreographed.
कुछ बाउंड्रीज होती है, जैसे
Right.
कोई सीन है जिसके अंदर यू एंड योर को स्टार, यू सिट, यू talk it out, you tell them that this is what I'm comfortable with, this is what I'm not comfortable with, and then you respect their boundaries, as simple as that.
And it always works out smoothly.
For me it did.
Okay.
And when we were shooting for the intimate scenes on Hate Story, Vishal Pandya, the director, he made sure that only the required crew was there on set.
Right.
Like we worked with, जब वो scenes हो रहे थे, we had only like 8-7 people on set at that point of time. Everybody else was outside.
But now at this point, do you think with intimacy coordinators and everything like that, पहली ऐसी चीज़ें बहुत limited बनती थी या एक हाथ बार बन गई, but अभी ऐसा content अभी भी Indians इसे consume करने में hesitate होंगे या होते हैं?
That's when the censor board comes in.
Oh,
right?
yes.
Okay, so when it comes to movies, we have censor board. That is the reason why they are there. OTT does not have that, and that's why they are shooting such content. And ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. If that content is working for them and people are comfortable doing it, who am I to question that? Who's anybody to question that?
True. And also, did you feel that sense ki, you know, with this film, I broke that, you know, image of myself.
At least
being
I
the
stepped
girl.
out of my
Yeah.
comfort zone. I did step out of my comfort zone to work on a movie like that.
But I don't know, bro. Who doesn't think that you're not hot enough? I mean, you are. So, yeah. You, okay, now coming to a little bit of your regional work, okay, you are a Gujarati. Tell me something about Gujarat 11 and like how did you decide कि एकदम commercial Bollywood films या proper Bollywood films से let me dive into now my arena, which is the Gujarati film industry. So how was that like?
So, Jayan Gilatar sir, the director of Gujarat 11, he approached us for this movie, and this was the first ever sports based movie in Gujarati, where he wanted me because he said that आपकी जो पर्सनालिटी वगैरह जो है वो एक स्पोर्ट्समैन की तरह दिखती है, एंड आई वांटेड टू कास्ट फॉर इट, एंड आई वाज लाइक आई हैव नॉट वर्कड, एंड आई कम फ्रॉम रीजनल सिनेमा, आई हैव डन कन्नड़ा फिल्म्स.
Yes.
Then I did Bollywood. So for me, I never had that apprehension that कि नहीं मुझे नहीं करना है regional film. For me, the script is the hero, and the script is good. I don't mind working on it. And Gujarat 11 was a good script to work on.
Even Bihu Attack, if I'm not wrong, is a regional
Yeah.
film.
No, it's a Hindi movie.
It's a Hindi movie, but based in the
it's
Assamese.
based on the
yeah.
Assamese culture.
Right. So how was that like also for you? Because when you come from a Gujarati culture and that upbringing, and then there's somewhere which you have to, because when you do films like these na, those are a little bit sensitive as well. You have to make sure that no culture is harmed या हम ऐसे कुछ ऐसे वे में ना दिखाए.
Okay, so when it comes to Gujarat 11, I was literally the backbone of the movie.
Yeah.
Bihu Attack, I was more of a cameo than being the backbone of the movie.
Right.
So for me, yes, the movie is about the Assamese culture, but I did not have anything to do with that in the movie because I was hardly there for like 7 minutes in the movie. So it was more like a cameo.
Fair. Coming to my next thing is, I just want to ask you, what do you think about the term comeback? Like, what is your take on the term comeback? How as an actor, do you define comeback when it's put like that?
I first of all have never understood this term comeback
Yeah,
because once if you are in a field, you are there,
true.
which means you never left. You might have taken a break, but that doesn't mean it's a comeback.
But that's how it's used, right? If somebody goes on a break and then comes back, then that's how they say it, that it's a comeback.
हाँ, but metaphorically speaking और subtext में अगर हम बात करें तो comeback का meaning कुछ अलग होता है.
Okay, बताओ.
Okay, now how do I talk about subtext here? Comeback is in like, oh, she was finished and then now this is a comeback. So it's like a relive, like a second life. Comeback is equal to a second life according to the media terms.
Okay. Yeah, sort of. Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
I mean, I get it now what you're saying.
How is that a second life? The life has been this.
Mm-hmm.
It's not that she died and came back or he died and came back.
Right. So I was talking to Chitrangda and she also told me the same thing. I don't know why people keep saying comeback क्योंकि मैं तो कहीं गई ही नहीं, मैं तो यही हूँ.
हाँ.
So even I get that.
Nobody left. When people say, oh, it's a comeback, no, nobody left. We've been seeing like 20 years, 25 years, 30 years, like when Raveena ma'am was doing her series, oh, Raveena Tandon comeback. No, she was there every day, like every third day we saw her doing something or the other. Even Sushmita, we did her doing something or the other every third, fourth day. Every week she was present somewhere or the other place. So it's not a comeback. She's here. She's been there.
But then, if celebrities also don't get spotted these days, are not seen, maybe not that often, because I think, as we were talking about the paparazzi culture.
Choice. That's a personal
Right. That's a personal choice. But somewhere that gives, maybe, I'm just assuming, maybe that gives people the notion ki, maybe.
Oh my God, people.
Yeah, people. It is obviously the people, right? Because I as the person feel, क्योंकि celebrities होते ही लोगों से बने हुए.
हाँ.
Right.
Yeah, वो agree करती हूँ मैं.
तो उनका perception काफी जगह, मतलब मुझे नहीं पता, but now that even I have started taking podcasts and interviews, I've realized that one thing कि कितना भी तुम पर्सनली अगर फील करो कि मुझे शायद ये कमेंट नहीं पढ़ना है या मैं नहीं देखना चाहती पॉडकास्ट में मेरे लिए लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं, बट स्टिल वहां पे ना वो एक ध्यान जाएगा कि I want that, what do you say, maybe validation if you ask.
So the thing is that, sorry to cut you there first of all.
That's it.
If you're seeking for validation, God bless you, get well soon.
Okay.
If you are reading it for self-awareness, all the very best. Keep doing it.
Got it. I get your point, right? But there are times also, right? We say, हमारे term में बोलते हैं feedback ले लेती हूँ. ठीक है? So that is the feedback.
Is the feedback affecting you? Then you are probably you're probably going on the negative side.
That's a good question you're asking me.
So if the feedback is affecting you, then you are probably spiraling in the negative side. But if that feedback is helping you change something which is for your own betterment, then that's the right way to take it.
Okay, I will take that from someone who's experienced. But have you ever been in my place like this?
Many times. Many times.
Yeah, how did you get out of it? What made you realize ki, like,
Okay,
chhod do?
so earlier it was why me, now it is try me.
Yeah, nice one. I like the confidence in it. It just shows.
I don't think it's confidence. It's just that how evolved you are. You need to understand that certain things, like the biggest of the designers might make the amazing clothes, but they might not look good on me. But I will not simply wear those designers just to please the fashion police.
Yeah,
Even though if I'm looking like a joker, but the fashion police will love it because I'm wearing a certain designer. That's wrong because you're not being yourself, you're not being true to yourself.
I get that point.
Now, this was an
Have
example.
yeah, I understood that. And but have you ever felt that way? Ki maybe I am also trying to please someone by not being myself, and then you realize कि okay, now I have to snap out of it because अब मैं नहीं जम रही इसमें.
Luckily, I have snapped out of it earlier.
Long back.
Yeah, like I stayed in certain situation for the longest, thinking that no, I need to obey, I need to obey, I need to obey, because that person deserves a lot of respect and this and that and all. But then there was a time where I put my foot down. I was like, I'm out of this shit.
What situation was it, if you don't mind?
कभी कभी क्या होता है ना कि हाउ डू आई से ओके, ये मैंने कल ही पढ़ा है कहीं पे.
Okay.
वी हैव सीन वर्म्स इन guavas, we have seen worms in mangoes, but we have never seen worms in lemons. So
Lemon
it's okay
खट्टे
to be
होते हैं.
sour with certain people in your life.
That I got it. But what was that situation? Like, if you can give me an gist of it.
Where you are, okay, let me frame it properly. If your if my version that you see, कि नहीं ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट है यार समझाना.
अरे आराम से समझाओ.
I know. If my version of respecting you means disrespecting me, then I'm out of it.
Yeah, got that.
So what happens at sometimes, क्योंकि आप सामने वाले की रिस्पेक्ट बहुत ज़्यादा करते हो, क्योंकि आप सामने वाले को बहुत ज़्यादा मानते हो, क्योंकि आप सामने वाले को इतना ज़्यादा पेडिस्टल पे रख देते हो अपने लाइफ के अंदर कि आप भूल जाते हो कि आप खुद के साथ कितना गलत कर.
बट यहाँ पे आई फील ये इंडस्ट्री में एज अ होल जब आप सामने वाले को रिस्पेक्ट भी देते हो तो उसकी दो चीज़ें भी निकलती है. या तो हम भी ऐसा सोचते हैं जब हमें कोई रिस्पेक्ट दे रहा होता है कि ये जेन्युइन रिस्पेक्ट है या ये शायद नाम का रिस्पेक्ट है. वो होता है ना, जैसे कि दोस्ती भी हो गई, दोस्ती शायद मतलब की भी हो सकती है और जेन्युइन भी हो सकती है. सो व्हाट इज़ योर परसेप्शन ऑन दैट? लाइक हाउ आर पीपल हियर? इज इट लाइक हाउ एवरीबडी पोर्ट्रेज इट?
There are a lot of genuine equations. There are a lot of work equations which is like give and take,
या
and everything is individual based. Honestly, let me tell you one thing: whatever serves you, whatever you think you can handle, whatever you think can last, do that. For me, मुझसे सबसे पहले ये है कि मेरे पे फिल्टर नहीं है. मुझसे फेक रिलेशनशिप्स नहीं की जाती है, मुझसे होता ही नहीं है. आई एम समबडी हुज, आई डोंट जज एट ऑल. लाइक If you are that person who believes in doing it, great, good for you. मैं जज करके मैं मेरा टाइम क्यों खराब करूँ, मैं मेरा मेंटल जो पीस है उसको क्यों खराब करूँ.
बट कभी कभी ऐसा होता होगा कि people might have not given you that sort of a respect, and where you feel or you reconsider
Am
कि
I respecting myself?
no, of course you are
Of
respecting
course.
yourself,
Then
no
that's
doubt.
what it matters at the end of the day. It's you who's looking yourself in the mirror. Not people are not looking at you in your mirror.
Yeah.
Babe, you need to get out of this people. You are too much into
Okay,
people.
okay, cool. Got it, got it. Okay, apart from that, now let's talk about like your love, your concept about love. What does your love life look like? Is it happening, not happening? How
The
interesting
only
is
love
it?
I have in my life are my dogs.
Yes, I get it. Because even I have two dogs and you have
Yeah.
three, so we get
And
that.
honestly, I just feel that once you have experienced an animal's love, it's very difficult to get back to understanding what human love is, because human love is not unconditional at all.
Ah, deep. But we can't deny that fact.
Yeah.
We all know that. I feel, except for your mother's love in this world, nothing can be unconditional to that level. But Daisy, also, if you are looking for a partner, then what's your ideal man? उसके पहले इसके बाद मैं ये भी पूछना चाहती हूँ, अभी मैंने ये पूछ ही लिया तो मैं ये भी पूछती हूँ, कि द प्रेशर, डू यू हैव दैट प्रेशर? क्योंकि आई फील आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर घर पे शादी करने के लिए, एंड इट्स लाइक सो बैड कि देयर आर डेज वेयर आई गेट रियली फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. आई एम लाइक मेरी हो रही है, ऐसा नहीं है
हाँ.
नहीं हो रही, ठीक है, बट अभी है टाइम.
हाँ.
तो किसी को चैन नहीं है, सब दिमाग पे चढ़ के बैठे हैं. हैव यू एवर बीन इन दैट
Yes,
फेज?
I've been through this phase.
But no
Now,
longer.
no, now there's no pressure.
How did you snap out of that phase?
That's because I was so dheet that my family finally gave up कि इसको बोल के कुछ मतलब ही नहीं है.
मेरे बारे छोड़ नहीं रही यार. I mean, but ऐसे कैसे
No,
हो
it was a
गया?
lamba phase. It's not like छोटा था. It was like almost around 3-4 years where they were pestering me कि शादी कर ले, शादी कर ले, शादी कर ले, कोई लड़का है, मैं देखती हूँ, नहीं कौन चाहिए तो को इंडिया में नहीं चाहिए, मैं अब्रॉड में ढूंढ के दूंगी ये वो. एंड आई एम लाइक नहीं करनी है भाई.
But फिर अब लव करोगे या अरेंज, अगर अपने करीबी तो?
I have no answer to this question.
Okay.
Because I myself don't know where and how my love life is going to start.
Is going to start.
Yeah.
Okay, that means you are clearly very very single.
Yes.
But tell me that ऐसा है कि अपने साथ भी हुआ है, ठीक है, ये चीज़ कि जब जैसे जैसे ना तुम्हारी एज होती जाती है ना, पहले ऐसा रहता है कि लड़का ऐसा चाहिए, मुझे लड़का वैसा चाहिए, ये वो क्वालिटीज़ होनी चाहिए. इवेंचुअली ऐसा बोलते हैं कि जैसे जैसे हम वो एज में आते हैं कि हमारी एज पास हो जाती है अकॉर्डिंग टू द सोसाइटी स्टैंडर्ड्स, हमारा एक एक टिक मार्क खत्म हो जाता है कि एट द एंड सिर्फ एक लड़का चाहिए. So I saw this a lot. It was trending on Instagram like crazy. And then yeah, there are like my cousins and all that we were discussing this. So what do you would like to say on this?
मेरे केस के अंदर I just feel that like I'm a person who needs a lot of space, and maybe I need a person like that who lets me be, just lets me be. Like I am a person who just at times just isolates myself कि मुझे कोई भी नहीं चाहिए, तो मुझे रहने दो, मुझे मत इरिटेट करो कि क्यों अकेले रहना है, क्यों आइसोलेट करना है खुद को. बिकॉज आई नीड माई टाइम. आई लव स्पेंडिंग टाइम विथ माई सेल्फ. आई एम माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड.
You're like a very self-sufficient.
Yeah, huh. But it's not that I don't want love. Of course, love is a beautiful feeling to have in your life. But when that love turns into केजिंग वाला प्यार जब हो जाता है ना, तो वो चीज़ें इरिटेट करनी शुरू हो जाती है.
कभी ऐसा हुआ होगा?
हुआ है इसलिए बता रही हूँ.
हाँ, I know that feeling. हुआ है इसलिए मैं भी जानती हूँ. Lastly, Daisy, I want to know कि it's time to wrap, but I wish I could talk more. Lastly, I would just like to know that what is your inspiration on your baddest days, which you feel कि मुझसे आज बिस्तर से नहीं उठा जा रहा, but that one thing, कि जो आप अपने आप को बोलते हो and you have to make it out of it? What is that one inspiration? Is there something? For me, I'll tell you. For me, it's like if I'm in a bad phase and I can't get out of bed, I just say, this is a phase and it will pass by, so just get up. It's a passing cloud, it will pass by, so just get up. This is,
I think
I
that
keep
is
saying that.
that is the attitude what everybody should have. It's because whatever you do it for yourself. If you have to get out of the bed for somebody else, please go back to sleep. Because that is what you want to do. You want to sleep.
Right. But anything else which is like a very empowering thing you would like to put out there to me?
Take the feedback in a positive way.
Okay. With that, Daisy, I really enjoyed your vibe. And yeah, I would like to say one thing, that you're totally unfiltered. And that's what I love about you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for doing this.
Hi, this is Daisy Shah, and you're watching me on Bollywood Bubble.